Welcome everyone. I Simanchal Panda will start to demonstrate about the evaluate the analgesic effect of analgesic drugs using tail flick analgesiometer. The tail flick test is a test of the pain response in animals, similar to the hot plate test. It is used in basic pain research and to measure the effectiveness of the analgesics by observing the reaction to heart. It was first described by D. Amor and Smith in 1941. So there are some principles are behind that. The principle is that the analgesic drug increase the pain threshold, that is to tolerate a pain stimulus. This effect can be estimated in animal models of analgesia. To induce pain, following type of stimuli can be used. That is the radiant heat projected on the tail, paw or shaved skin. Cold stimulus applied through a cool plate. Mechanical pressure on the tail or the paw applied using a clamp. Electrical stimulus on both pulp. We can say the chemical stimulus formalins are also used. The time taken by the animal to reveal the pain sensation through vocalization or paw licking or effect to escape the painful stimulus, withdrawal of the body part on which pain is infected, paw or tail is determined. The analgesic increase the time taken by the treated animal to reveal the pain sensation. The equipment which is used is this. So we will start the experiment. The interface showed the two group of mouse that contain six mice in the each group, which have been randomly selected and allotted to two groups. Select the groups to treat with the study drug and the vehicle. Administer the respective treatment to individual animals by intraperitoneal route. Click the mouse to put the select mouse on the tail flick apparatus. Record the response time at which the mouse moves the tail. The mice in test group are injected morphine, that is 10 mg per kilogram oral, and mice in control group are administered with the vehicle in the same volume. The response time are recorded after 1 hour of drug administration. These are the different steps are below. First step is select the animal to be treated with vehicle or drug dependent upon its group and administer the respective treatments. Second is after 1 hour of treatment, load the mice on the tail flick analgesiometer. It is the first we have to administer to the mice. So here we can see we are taking the mice and to the peritoneal route it has to be given the injection. If the morphine is given and it is distributed, that is some are vehicle treated and some are of drug treated. So I will take one sample from this and I have to check the timer. We have to check the tail flicking time. We can see this mice is present and the tail which has to be flicked. See here the timer is showing it is 8. So here we can write down as the 8. It is the first vehicle treated. Second vehicle treated, we will take it. We will see we are actually giving the pain through different radiation. So at which time it has to be, see at 8 again it is showing it tail freaking. So again we will write down it as a 8. So next one we can see here the timer is going on and at the time the tail has to be flicked we have to note down it is again a 9. So it is approximate 8 to 9. Again we will take from the vehicle treated. So we are giving time to show its reflection. So the timer again it is stopping at the 8. So next mice we will take. So on average we are getting that 8 is 8 to 9 second is the freaking time, that is a tail freaking in the normal without any drug treatment. This is the last one. For the vehicle treated, we can see the tail freaking or the pain. It is having the time nearly 8 to 9 seconds. So here we are writing as the 9. So again we will take this drug treated one. So after giving the morphine we have to see whether the time increasing or not, that is the analgesic nature. So pain is relieving or not, so we are waiting. So we are after the 12 second also you can see the time is now 13. Previously it was above average of 8 to 9. So again we are taking the morphed that sample of mouse. See here the tail freaking time timer is il 12, 14, 15. So it is 15 second. So we will take another one. The mouse we have taken, this is the tail and this is our morph. They have taken the morphine. So it is analgesic in nature, that is the pain relieving. So the pain which they can feel, the time is actually increasing here. We can see it is almost 16 second. After that it has reflected. So next we have to take, so we are taking nearly 6 on average. 9, 10. Time taken is now it is 11 second. Here 12 freaking it is 14 second. So it is the last miles of that. We can see here this is the tail. So we are giving the radiation. So after a particular time the tail will feel some pain here after 13 second. It is feeling the pain, that's why it is reflecting its tail. So So now we have to see the observation. So we have seen that when the vehicle has treated, that is without any drug, the response time was 8 to 9 seconds. So it was the average of 8.5 second. But once we are giving the morphine, morphine is having its a pain relieving property, that is the analgesic property. So due to its analgesic property, we can see the time difference for the pain can be seen here. Previously it was 8 second, but after that we can see on average above ill 10 we that respond has been given by the mice that by flicking the tail whenever we are giving any kind of radiation or giving the pain. So it's the average of 13.66 second. So we are getting the conclusion that increase in the average response time in drug treated mice shows that the pain threshold is increased in the drug treated mice. So we have today's study about the evaluation of analgesic effect of analgesic drug using the tail flicking analgesiometer. So this was the analgesiometer which we are using. This is the mouse. We can see those has been trapped uh, inside the equipment, and the tail is left free on the surface. And there some pain has to be given by help of any radiation or anything. So once it will feel the pain after a particular time, it will flick its tail. The time has to be measured in this experiment. Got it?